For my next video, I'd like to do one on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and all those running One UI 6.1, 6.11, and probably even the new and upcoming One UI 7. And that's a security alert, a security lock. So when you turn your screen off, you turn it back on and it asks for the password all the time. And I can't do that because it's going to actually stop my recording. I'm recording on the device I'm showing you on, but I can go through the settings with you pretty easily here. So let's go ahead and scroll down and go to our settings. And then, okay, here we go, settings. And then scroll down to lock screen and always on display. And on that, you can go to secure lock settings, and I'm going to put my password in. And here's where we have some neat settings. I've already gone over this one, auto factory reset. I made a video on that, and I'll put the link up in the description. Lock instantly with slide button. If extended unlock is in effect, the phone will stay unlocked. But if you have this turned off, it won't lock. Okay. You need to then go with this one, the auto lock when the screen turns off. You can set that to however many minutes you want. So, and again, I'm sorry I can't demonstrate this because it'll turn everything off, but it's real simple. So when the phone will be locked after the screen turns off, except when extended lock is keeping it from unlocked. So in other words, if I turn the screen off right now, I can turn it back on for up to 2 minutes without having to input my password or my Face ID or my fingerprint, which can get annoying if you're just setting your phone down, turning it off, going back to it, trying to do something, always having to put that security in. So both those settings lock instantly with side button. If you push the side button, it'll automatically lock. Or if you have this one and it's a set number of minutes, it'll automatically lock. So you can fine tune this as to the way you want your phone to lock or unlock. Okay, so that's my video on the secure lock feature. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my videos. And until next time, I'm out.